guys, welcome to The Real Chef Curry. Today we are back after a quick little break with a delicious recipe that is perfect for any weeknight because it only takes 20 minutes to make. That's right, you heard me correct, only 20 minutes to make. So without any further ado, let's get to it. So guys, before we jump into this video, as you know, like usual, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, punch that notification bell, and without any further delays, we're going to jump right into the recipe.
Okay friends, so for corn spinach, we are going to boil the water first to blanch the spinach. So now our water has already started to boil, so I am going to add spinach in it. And we are going to immediately remove the spinach in like 2 minutes and transfer it to ice cold water, and that is called blanching. This will help you preserve the nutrients in the spinach and maintain the color, because if you see, you want your vegetable dish to be bright green in color. So that's what blanching will help you do. Also, one more thing guys, I am not going to throw away this water of the spinach, and I am going to store it in an airtight container, and you can use that in your curries, or you can use that water in soups or making rotis. So because this water also has some nutrients from the spinach, so you don't want to throw it away. So we are going to leave this here for a minute or two max. You don't need more time to cook because spinach is very delicate vegetable, so 2 minutes is max. So now our spinach is done. I'm going to turn off the gas and remove the spinach in the ice cold water. By removing it to the ice cold water, we are preventing more cooking of the spinach. So we are going to leave the spinach here for maybe 5 minutes, and then we'll strain it and transfer it to the blender and blend it into a puree. So we have transferred our blanched spinach in the blender, and we are going to add 1 medium chopped onion, 1 clove of garlic, few small pieces of ginger, 2 chopped green chilies, and in this recipe we are going to use give the heat with the green chilies instead of red pepper, because we want to maintain the green color of the spinach. And we are going to use 1 medium chopped tomato. All of these things are going to go in the blender along with the spinach, and we are going to make a puree. So now our spinach puree is ready. What I have done is I have taken the same pot, cleaned it and put it back on the stove, and to that pot now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of organic cow ghee. Now if you don't want to use cow ghee, you can always use sesame oil or olive oil. I prefer ghee, so I am using ghee. To that ghee I am adding cumin seeds. It's 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. We are going to wait till the cumin seeds crackle a little bit, and then we are going to add whole red chilies. These are dried red chilies. Now you see our cumin seeds has already turned brown, so I am going to add the chilies, let them crackle for a bit, and lower the flame and add our spinach puree. You can use a spatula or something to take out rest of the puree. Make sure the flame is very low. If the need be, you can temporarily turn off the gas. I am using the spatula because I don't want any of this green goodness to go to waste. The lid also has some gravy, this puree in it, so I'm going to take that also with the spatula. If you want, you can feel free to use your fingers to get everything out. Now I am turning the gas back on, and I'm going to add 1 cup of frozen corn. You can add fresh corn too if you want. Just make sure that you have boiled them in advance and they are cooked. Because spinach is already cooked, it does not take more time. Now I am going to add a pinch of garam masala, just a pinch of turmeric because you want to maintain that green color of spinach, half a tablespoon of cumin and coriander powder, and I am adding 1 or 2 pinches of red paprika powder or chili powder, and I am adding salt to taste. I took like half a teaspoon of salt initially, and then I am going to taste it, and if I need more I am going to use more. Stir everything properly and then increase the flame, cover the lid and let it cook. Let it cook for approximately like 4-5 minutes and then you will be done. So you see our dish is done. Bright, vibrant green color, and it took us like 20 minutes to cook this. Just one pot dish, and you can serve it with either roti or rice. It's a very nutritious dish and perfect for a dinner or a lunch.
So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes coming soon. Also, the full recipe to this video will be in the description below, so you guys can check out the full recipe there itself. And until next time, keep on cooking.